video to get you started with KOR Connect. After you created your account and signed in, your dashboard should look something like this. Press on the Connect API button at the top right to fill in the details of your API. The name is up to you. I'll be using Giphy. The API key can be found in your API provider, as well as the header name. Giphy uses API-key, and you'll find that's common to other providers. The API URL is the base URL for the API that you'll be using, and keep note that most APIs have a version. It's going to be helpful if you include that in the base URL. Allowed domains is a list of all the domains that are able to call the API through the secure URL that KOR Connect provides. Press on Create Connection, give it a few seconds, and you'll be able to see the new connection pop up. Notice that you get a message saying that the connection has been created in testing mode. That means that you'll be able to call it from localhost. We're assuming you'll be developing firsthand, and when developing, you're calling your API through localhost, which has to be a domain within the allowed domain list. Click on View Details. You'll see again the warning that this is in test mode. You're able to lock it to production by switching it in this screen. You'll see that the warning has faded out. I'll move it back to testing mode. And the other important thing about this screen is the secure URL. This URL in particular is a URL that I can use in my frontend. For examples on how to create the connection, how to integrate the connection with my frontend, you'll be able to go into snippets. You have some examples on some of the major frameworks, such as React, Vue, and Angular, HTML for basic integration. I mostly use React. You'll get an example link for the repository, and you get a step-by-step guide on how to integrate KOR Connect with a new React project. If you have other doubts, feel free to look at our help section or navigate over to the forum as well. That's it. Good luck with your connections.